Hello friends, I am architect Sonu Rai from Green Landscape and Architectural Design Studio, and in the last video tutorial we discussed about a staircase by component, in which we saw various types of a staircase by default, like a spiral staircase, U-shaped staircase, U-shaped winders, L-shaped winders, and center and a spiral, and we discussed various settings for the staircase. And today I am going to start a staircase by sketch. Using a staircase sketch method, we can draw any kind of shapes of a staircase in Revit. And for example, I have drawn this staircase shapes by using a staircase by a sketch method. And this project belongs to one of my client. It's a villa project, so client demanded this kind of shapes in a staircase. You have seen in many villa design that we use this kind of shapes to draw a staircase. So this can be done very easily by using Revit sketch method and staircase sketch method. So we will see one by one. First, I am going to draw any one simple shape in a staircase, and then we will understand this, and then we can draw this shape in a staircase. So for this, I am going to my architecture tab, and here is our staircase command, and in this is all our staircase component which we have discussed earlier tutorial. And this is the symbol for create a sketch in which we can draw any interesting shapes of the staircase by using this sketch method. So I am going to select this pencil mark, and now these are boundary. So these are in thick line. This is for drawing this boundary mark here. I am going to draw one boundary for this. First, before starting of any staircase, you have to define the boundary of this side and boundary of I'm going to uncheck this, and you have to first define the length of the boundary of any staircase like this. So and after this is riser. These all are in black lines. So this is for drawing riser. You have to be very cautious while selecting this kind. Some many times will be automatically selected to this kind of shapes, and the staircase will be not formed. And these riser are in black lines, so I am going to draw one riser for you. So you can see these are in black lines, and this is for drawing a staircase path. Suppose I want to define this path of staircase shapes, so you have to select any arc, and you can draw a staircase path here. So like this you have to draw a staircase path. So I am going to cancel all this. This is to make you understand. You have to be very careful while drawing this staircase. So many times it will create confusion. Boundary is green line, riser is black line, a staircase path you have to define for drawing staircase, otherwise your staircase will be not found. So I am going to draw one simple shapes like L shape staircase. So I am going to select this boundary, and I am going to select this line command. You can use any other shapes also according to your design. I am going to draw one simple shape. So I am going to define my boundary, and length I am going to select of staircase 8 feet 6 inches, and this another length in L shape I am going to select 9 feet. I am going to give this offset of staircase width is 4 feet. I am leaving it 4 feet. And now I am going to trim by trim extend. I will make good detailed tutorial on modifying tools in Revit. So now this is the shape of our boundary. Now we will start drawing risers for this, and you can see 0 risers created, 20 remaining is coming automatically according to your roof height. So 20 remaining, so you have to create 20 risers here. So I am going to select this riser, and I am using this line command. I am drawing my first riser here. Now we can draw another riser, and I have drawn one riser here, and it's showing one riser created, 19 remaining. So Revit is very good in this. It will show how many risers have created and how many are remaining. So I'm going to use this offset command because I want to give offset to this riser. So I'm going to take default standard size for risers trade. So that is 150 mm or 300 mm or 1 feet. So I'm going to select this 1 feet equal to 300 mm. So I'm going to give this offset 1 feet, 1 feet, 1 feet. So you can see 4 risers created, 16 remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 risers created, 16 remaining. So we have to draw another 16. And now I want to give a landing here. So I am going to draw riser here, one riser here, and I'm going to give again offset 1 feet here. And now it's showing 11 risers created, 9 remaining. So we have to increase the length because I am assuming this length, and you can calculate while drawing as per your drawing. So we have to increase the boundary length, and now I am again going to my riser and I am going to give this offset 1 feet. And now you can see 12 risers created, 8 remaining, 7 remaining, 6 remaining, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So this has come accurately here. So almost all steps I have completed, and we'll wait for this. My computer is a bit slow. Now these all are completed, and you have to make sure that these lines should not cross like this risers, otherwise your staircase will not form. We have to make sure that it should be touching the riser end and here also, and it should not unjoin also, then also a staircase will be not formed. It's a showing 19 risers created, 1 remaining, so we have to draw one more riser. So I'm going to draw on this side. I'm going to select this riser and going to give this offset 1 feet. And now 20 risers created, 0 remaining, so almost all risers are completed. So we have to drag this boundary line till here and till here. So these all are touching riser end boundary lines. So now we can draw this stair part. This is the last step of drawing any stair path in sketch method. If you will not define this, your staircase will be not formed. So you have to define a stair path. So I am going to draw one stair path. You have to click here and again here and this end. So this would also not cross this riser mark as per your design, and I'm going to finish this now. Now you can see you have to click once and now our staircase is formed. So you can see in 3D view, if you want to see, yeah, this is our staircase. And since I am working on my project, these trade and riser materials have been applied by default, and in the last tutorial I have discussed how you will change the materials for staircase, and these all are same here also. And you can select this staircase and you can go to edit tab. You are required to make a duplicate, and you can change before drawing a staircase this riser trade and run width. And I am going to this construction run type 3 by 4 running. I am going to click once here. Now this construction underside surface is smooth, so this is smooth type staircase. And if you want to stepped staircase like a interior visualization, you can select this stepped and you can hit apply here, and your stepped staircase is formed in Revit. So it's very easy in Revit, and you can go back to your smooth also. So this is default smooth surface. You can change the material of monolithic material, and you can change material settings. I have discussed in earlier tutorial. Trade material also is selected. If you will select trade here, if you put a tick mark, you can change the trade material, and riser material also same. If you will uncheck from here, you are saying this is appearing in gray line. So if I am clicking, you are not able to change the material. If I am putting a tick mark here, I am able to change my materials. So you can change the material settings from here. So I am leaving like marble material. And if you don't want thread and riser material or nosing profile, so you can uncheck this and you can hit apply here. So you are seeing these are all in monolithic material. So these all are handful settings which you can learn by practicing. Now I am going to draw this kind of staircase, how you will do in Revit. So first you have to insert any AutoCAD plan. You can also insert AutoCAD plan and draft this using Revit, that we'll discuss in later tutorial when we'll go to and import a CAD plan into Revit. So I'm going to draw this kind of shapes in Revit. So I'm going to again to my staircase, and I'm going to select this create a sketch. Now you can draw a boundary. First you have to define a boundary. So I'm taking this arc. I'm going to select this arc, this, and I'm going to draw a arc. And now I'm going to define the width of a staircase. I'm going to give offset of this boundary line. Again, I'm going to select this 5 feet. We want to give more width to this staircase. Now our boundary is defined. If you can increase as per your design, you have to make sure that how many risers you are requiring as per your boundary line. So this is 20 remaining. So I'm going to draw my first riser here. You have to select this riser and you have to use any of this command. I'm going to select this line, and now my first riser is created and 19 remaining. I'm going to draw another riser here. This is free and 2 risers created, 18 remaining, because you have to first draft a staircase in AutoCAD or as per your design. This arc staircase also you can do by using array, that we'll discuss later. I am going to make freehand, 6 risers creating, 14 remaining, 7 created, 13 remaining, 8 created, 12 remaining, 11 remaining, and likewise you can draw staircase as per the length of boundary wall. You can also increase boundary wall. So it's 6 risers remaining, so I am going to increase the boundary length, and then we'll adjust as per and drag boundary line. And now I am going to select this riser, and I'm going to draw the riser here. You have to select riser every time, otherwise you will be start drawing boundary line. So 5 remaining, 4 remaining, 3 remaining, 2 remaining, and I will draw my last riser here. So again, riser is remaining. So 20 risers created, 0 remaining. So all risers are completed. Now we will drag this till here and till here. Every time you have to make sure that these risers should be not unjoined, and you should also not cross this boundary mark like this. We have to be very cautious. Now we will draw our stair path, third one. I am going to select this time this arc because our staircase is in arc shape. So I am going to select this arc shape. This also should touch the riser end. It should not go beyond and left unjoined. So I'm going to this staircase path, and now should not cross this riser end and riser end till here. So I'm going to finish this and click once again. So two times you have to click to finish the staircase. So now our staircase is found. We will go and see in 3D view, and you can see this arc shaped staircase is created using staircase by sketch method, and you can draw any kind of staircase shapes using staircase by sketch. You can change the railing material from here, and you can change the riser and tread material also, and you can create this kind of landing also in level, and also for villa view like this. It's very easy in drawing in Revit, and also you can edit your staircase afterwards like this. If you want to make any curve shape like this, after discussing with clients, if you want curve shape at the staircase start point or anywhere, you can do it after drawing your staircase. Also, suppose I want to make this arc shape, so I'm going to select this. After this, you can edit staircase also by selecting this option, edit stairs. So I'm going to select this edit stairs, and after this you have to select once again. It will be converted into this black lines. You have to take a selection again, and now you will go to this edit sketch, and again we are back to our previous stage. Now we can make adjustment. I'm going to delete this riser here, and I'm going to draw one arc shape riser here. Okay, and by default it is boundary selected. So I'm going to select this riser and this arc, and now we will draw our arc shape riser here. And now already discussed that you have to make sure that this path should touch the riser end, and also at the other end also. So I'm going to finish this. Now we'll see our staircase in 3D view, and you are seeing that you can your beautiful curved line is formed here for riser start point, and you can do many editings after drawing a staircase also. You can edit to a staircase by selecting this again and edit a sketch. You can start drawing any shapes of. If you want to change the shape settings here and you want to make curve also, you can do. If you want to add landing also, you can do offset and draw staircase of any shapes using this staircase by sketch method. And so these are very handful, and in the next tutorial we'll discuss more things about staircase. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.